I need to replace the PC board on a Bosch Model HMC80151UC microwave. Need specific instructions on how to remove front panel to expose the control board.
Can you guesstimate how old your Bosch is? And just to clarify, what's the exact model?
Approx 3 to 4 years old. Model #HMC80151UC/01.
Do you plan on doing the work yourself?
Yes.
Anything else we should know to help you best?
That's all. I think the replacement is simple enough. The panel disassembly is my concern.
Hello. My name is. I'll be helping you with your appliance question today. Please wait a few moments while I review your question. To remove the control panel, first unplug the microwave or flip the breaker off to the microwave. Open the door and there are screws going into the side trim, right and left side, you need to unscrew. Grab the ceiling of the microwave and pull the microwave forward. Now you can remove the screws coming from behind the control panel on the right and left side as well as below the control panel. The control panel will then pull off so you can expose and replace the board, which is all plug and play. We are on the honor system here. If you need anything else, just let me know. You can continue asking follow-up questions at no additional charge after rating my service if you still need assistance.
I will look at the inside of the microwave when I get home. I did not think I had to pull oven out, but your answer makes sense. If you don't mind, I may get back to you if this is not the case. Thanks.
Okay, sounds good. Unfortunately, you do have to pull the unit out to access the screws coming in from behind the panel.
Sounds good. I got a quote of $700 for someone to come out and do the same thing. I can get the part for $165. Don't think it would take more than a half hour or less for me to do myself.
Not a problem. If you need anything else, just let me know. I think you are correct. It should take about 30 to 45 minutes.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/YTHI.